Can you like pick a spot? Go lay on that. Can you go lay on your bed? What's up guys, today we're going to do a little unboxing video here. It's actually pretty late in the month. It's the 26th of October. That's actually my anniversary of me and my boyfriend, but he's at work right now, so whatever. This is the Boxycharm for October. I'm just going to pull it up. This is the pamphlet. It says Alter Ego. This looks really cool with that like smoke. Is that smoke or like fabric? Anyway, it's just Alter Ego. Pretty cool. Let's just open it up and pull stuff out. This is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Mother. I've learned my lesson, just open things with scissors. Okay, this is super pink. Ooh. Very, very pink. But this formula everyone was in love with for a really long time, so this is pretty exciting to get in a Boxycharm. But the color's pretty bright for like a fall box. It's October, guys. It's supposed to be spooky, not pink. Next up in here is, it's Super Cure Mascara. Oh, I heard so many good things about this. This is in the shade Super Black. Awesome, awesome. If these are real results, can you see that? Give me that. The only gripe I have with mascaras is that it'll like smear down for me, so I typically use waterproof mascaras, so this is going to be very interesting. But I did hear so many good things about this, so I'm pretty excited to use this. The shape of this bottle is a little bit strange, very strange actually. Like, I don't know if it's going to sit well. Is this supposed to be bent? Do you see that that's bent? Did I get a used product? Next up in here, what is this? Lace Appeal, the Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. I have like my own peel off mask, the black charcoal thing, but I think this is the one with the lace thingy that comes in it. Okay, so that's kind of cool. The only concern I have with this is that like I only use it around my nose for like blackheads, and I have peach fuzz everywhere else. Like, that's gonna hurt like a bitch. Next up in here, oh, I feel a palette. I love palettes. Okay, second to last thing is the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I love, the lid just came off. It smells really good. I really freaking love like cleansing balms that just remove all your makeup. Most of the time I just use the Pond's one, the Cold Cleansing Cream, because I think it works just great enough. And most of the time it does feel a little bit oily after you use it, but I always like actually wash my face after that anyway. I never just like use this and then I'm done for the night or anything. So this is really good. Pharmacy, I do like their stuff a lot, so this is cool. It does say it's made exclusively for Boxycharm, so I wonder what that means. This smells so good. I want to eat it. It smells like a sorbet. Sherbet? Sorbet? Last thing in here, like I said, this has a palette. It looks like it's from Pure Cosmetics. We seem to get a lot of their palettes in Boxycharms. It is a midnight, oh, it opens like a book. I was trying to lift it up. It opens like a book. Oh, there's actually colors on each side. So I'm assuming these are eyes, and then this is like face. Yeah, face palette. So let's do a little bit swatching here. I obviously can't really put any on my face right now because, oh, this has been opened before that. Hasn't been swatched though, so I guess I don't care. Okay, this is what it looks like in here. This side. This is way too bright and dark to use as an actual blush. It's so pigmented. But this one right here, that would be so pretty on your eyes. Okay, let's look at this highlight. It's not bad. It's like not too crazy. What about this bronze? Ooh, that'll look pretty on the eyes. Holy smokes, I really, really like that one. Big fan. Okay, let's go ahead and swatch this right over here. The eyes or whatever. This is what called to me first, of course, because I love my blues. That came up a little bit patchy, but it might be because of my bones and whatnot. Let's do that a little bit straighter. Oh no, I just smudged it off. Let's try that again. We're gonna do it on my forearm here. It looks like there's a little bit of fallout, but that's really, really stinging pretty. And then there's this like grayish charcoal looking one. Super pigmented. These are awesome. Okay, let's go into this purple and then the green. Want to go into that real quick. My swatches are so uneven. Oh snap, that's so pretty. Can you see that? Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my god, I love this. I love this. Let's try this like icy blue now. Ooh, not as mesmerizing or as amazing, but you can still see it. It's like an icy silver blue. And I'm actually out of fingers. And I didn't bring a white. Why? BRB. Alright, last one was the only matte color in here, which is Sneak Peek. And it's just this like brown right here. That's actually really pretty. I'm loving this palette. Holy heck. Look. This one right here, this one right here, and this. Stunning. I love it. I can't wait to use this on my eyes. Oh my god, I just figured out that this is a half of a masquerade mask. Did you get that? I didn't get that. I thought this was a leaf with some decorations around it. Midnight Masquerade palette, guys. This is really awesome. I really want to use this on my eyes. The mirror in it, I feel like I would have preferred to get another row of eyeshadows. Like, this is tiny though. Like, what? How do I use this? But I do love everything else. I'm probably going to use the face palette on the eyes. Maybe I'll use the highlight in here, which is Twilight, because it looks like a pretty natural highlight that's not glittery. So that's really awesome. I'm loving this, and I'm really wishing I didn't have makeup on so that I could try this on. I'll try it on a video sometime soon though. I completely forgot to tell you guys the prices of this. The IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara is $24. The Germovia Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask was $30. The Pure Cosmetics Midnight Masquerade Palette was $38. The Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick was $20. And then the Pharmacy Beauty Green Clean makeup remover thing was $22. So that was $136, I think, around $136. So that was still really good. We got 5 products this month and it was over $100. What was I most excited about? Definitely that palette. If the liquid lipstick was in a different shade, I'd probably be excited about that too. And then the IT Cosmetics, the Pharmacy. This bag was just really good, actually. I think it was really good. I have swatches everywhere. Swatches. Ooh, it's like a, what is that? Oh, never mind, I don't want to damage my watch. So yeah, just stay tuned for that video. I'm probably going to post up of me just using this palette because I think it'd be so pretty to use and I'm so excited to use it. But other than that, check out some more of my videos. I'll have them linked down below as well as some on the screen. And if you want to subscribe, just click on my small face right over there and I will see you guys next time.